Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the ASUS TUF A18, an 18-inch 240Hz gaming laptop built for players who want desktop-class power in a portable form. From the first boot, this machine feels fast, responsive, and ready for serious gaming. The massive 18-inch display with a 2560x1600 resolution and ultra-smooth 240Hz refresh rate immediately stands out. Gameplay looks incredibly fluid, motion stays sharp, and the 16:10 aspect ratio gives you extra vertical space that's perfect for multitasking, editing timelines, or managing streams alongside your game. Under the hood, the TUF A18 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, backed by 32GB of DDR5 RAM, delivering excellent performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling heavy creative workloads. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, and you get strong ray tracing performance, AI-enhanced graphics, and stable frame rates in demanding AAA titles. It genuinely feels like a high-end desktop experience packed into a laptop. Build quality is another highlight. As part of the TUF lineup, it's designed to be durable and dependable, with a clean, rugged finish that looks sleek without being flashy. The RGB backlit keyboard adds a customizable touch, making late-night sessions even more immersive. Connectivity is fully modern, with HDMI 2.1, USB-C, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, so you're covered whether you're gaming at a desk or on the move. Yes, it's a bit heavier than smaller laptops, but that's the trade-off for the performance and cooling you're getting. Overall, the ASUS TUF A18 delivers powerful performance, a stunning high-refresh display, and solid durability in one impressive package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.